All right, for our core control section, we're going to do bird dogs and dead bugs. So we're going to start on our hands and knees. We're going to go from that cat pose to the neutral spine. And from there, we're going to hold that neutral spine. We're holding those abs tight. I'm going to go right leg, left arm. So right leg extends, left arm extends. Try not to lose that core control. We're going to tuck and hold as we repeat each side in that holding that neutral spine. Switch sides, same thing on the other side. And then we go the other way for dead bugs. Same idea, very similar movement, just facing the opposite direction. So I'm going to push that low back into the floor, and then that's going to help maintain my abdominal contraction. I like to push my knees into my hands. That's going to help hold that engagement, and we're going to extend. This time, it's actually the same leg as it is arms. That way it allows me to push against that knee, that knee into the hand, and push now with the other side. Switch. Push and open. Push, I say push, I mean push into the legs and open. Keeping that low back pressed firmly into the ground to maintain the abdominal contraction.